Disney friends and Disney fans. I created this very short video. It's on my phone, just to show you how to get the Savi's workshop reservation. Some of my friends and customers, they were wanting to do that, so I thought I would just show you very quickly how to do it. I can do it for you. You don't have to worry about it. If you book through me, then I can take care of all of that for you. So let's go ahead and get started though. As you can see, I am logged in on my phone I went through Chrome, through Google Chrome at disneyworld.disney.go.com. I logged into my account. I'm going to click here, go down to my Disney experience, look for book enchanting extras and experiences. And let's see if I don't have to log in through Chrome. I hope I don't. Oh, great! It just took me straight to the page I need. So once you scroll down, you'll see Walt Disney World's Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge, Savi's Workshop, hand-built lightsabers at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And you get to build this custom lightsaber and continue the way of the Force, starting at $199.99. Now, before you go in to make this reservation, be sure that you have a park pass for the day that you're making the reservation, because this workshop is in Disney's Hollywood Studios and you have to have a ticket, a park ticket, in order to get into the park. So we're going to assume you have that, and we're going to go in and we're going to make that reservation. So here is Savi's Workshop. Scroll, check availability. It's pretty straightforward from here. You will scroll up, and right away you'll see just some information here on how long the experience is, what you're going to be doing, the pricing, and then there are some other details. If you are interested in reading that, you can. We're going to say that we're going on March the 24th, which one of my customers is going. I helped her book this. It's her little boy, and he's going to go in with his dad. Now, he's going to build the lightsaber, and Dad's going to be there to help him, of course, because he's 6 years old. Now, you do have to be 5 up in order to go. So the number of builders is equal to the number of lightsabers your party is going to assemble. You can bring one guest with you. So the guest is to watch the person building it. In this particular case, he's little, so they are going to request that Dad help him put some of the parts on to the lightsaber, and it's pretty big, so he's probably going to need help. If it were my daughter, who's already 16, well, she wouldn't need any help. I would just watch and just enjoy the experience. So I'm going to hit next. We're going March the 24th. Here's all of the information here. When you scroll down, we're going to hit afternoon. There are morning and evening times, but afternoon has a lot more times than morning and afternoon. So let's go ahead and do 12:25. So again, it gives you all of the information. You just want to double check, make sure you've got the date correct, the time that you want to go. Now, a credit card is required to complete this reservation. It will not be charged. It's going to hold the reservation. However, if you do not show up to the reservation, your credit card will be charged $199.99. Okay, there is a 1-day cancellation policy. So you can cancel, but it's got to be at least 1 day prior to the reservation to avoid a per builder cancellation. Now, with COVID, they might be a little more flexible, but I would definitely just follow this cancellation policy that is here on their page. Hit continue. Now, I'm going to go ahead. I think I need to sign into Chrome. All right, so there I am. I'm all signed in. I already have all of my information saved in my account. Here, the name is going to show up. All the information, if you have any special requests, you can always click here. You can add that, hit done, go to next. And on the next page, that is where you're going to see your email and then your phone number if you need to change anything. Once I click next, it is going to go to the next page where I have my credit card information. So I'm going to go ahead and So I'm going to go ahead and stop at that point. From there, it's just pretty straightforward. It's just click, click, make sure your card information is there. You are going to receive an email with the confirmation for this reservation. So expect that to be in your inbox. If you are booking through me, I will do all of this for you, or I can walk you through it. It's totally up to you. If you didn't book through me, but you want help with this, you can message me on Facebook. I am If You Can Dream It Travel with Emily on Facebook, and you can go to the messenger and message me, or you can go to Instagram and direct message me. That is also If You Can Dream It Travel with Emily. So thanks so much, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to see any other videos, any other information, just leave a comment wherever this video is at, and I'll get back to you. Thanks, and have a magical day.